Hi guys, welcome to Data Genius. Today we are going to solve one important hacker rank question, which is the blunder. Okay, if you want to try by yourself, I'll paste this question link into the description. You can try it out and later you can watch this video. Okay, so let's start the video. So this question talks about द एरर वाइल पुटिंग द सैलरी. ओके, तो हम लोग क्या इसमें क्या बेसिकली एरर है कि देर इज वन एम्प्लॉय नेम समानता, उसको ये काम दिया गया है कि यू हैव टू count the you have to calculate the average of these four employee, right? And the salary of these employees are respectively like 1420 to 2006, 2200, 10 and 3000 respectively, right? But by mistake, C entered the salary after removing the zero, like 1420 become 142, right? 1420 become 142, 2006 become 26, right? 2210 become 221, right? Now what we have to do is we have to calculate the difference between the original salary, like we have to calculate the difference of average, right, between the original salary and the error one, right? So here you can see the explanation, like what they want to do. The table below shows the salary without zeros as they were entered by Samantha, right, as explained earlier. Now what we have to do is average of this one, like 142 26 plus 221 plus 3, okay, and the actual average we have to differentiate. Okay, we have to subtract the original salary minus error one, okay, till next integer. We have to keep in mind, we have to calculate till next integer. Next integer means if there is average is this 0.23, okay, next integer will be 21, right? Anything between these two number, next integer will be the next integer. Okay, so let's start the question. I have created DDL command and in for myself. What we have to do here now is, what we will do is let's run this. Okay, so this is the table. Okay, this is the original table. Now what we have to do is we have to replace, okay, we have to replace 0 with blank, right? So what we can do is we can use replace command. Okay, replace what we want to replace, salary. Okay, which column? Okay, in salary what we want to replace, 0. We want to replace 0 by what? By blank space, right? As we can say here is error salary. Okay, error salary. Now if we run this syntax, let's see the output. Okay, now this is the actually this is what we wanted to calculate. Okay, but here the main thing is we cannot directly calculate the average of salary and average of error salary, because it will throw an error, because now this line, okay, this line particularly is become varchar. We have to change, we have to cast this into integer. So let's cast. Okay, so cast as float. Okay, 10 comma 2, this is means we want till 2 decimal. Okay, 2 decimal, right? Okay, 2 decimal. Let's run. Now 2 decimal is coming. Okay, now the data type of this is decimal. So we have to change the data type of original salary as well. Okay, original salary as well. So what here can do is just same logic, cast salary as decimal. Okay, 10.2 as original salary, right? So this is now the data type of both the column is same, right? Now what we have to do is we have to calculate the average, right? So here from here you have two options. First you can use subquery, second you can create one city, right? So I'll use subquery. So select a star from this table. Okay, now again run this one. So what we have to do now is we want to create average of what? Original salary, right? Average of original salary as original average, right? Comma, average of error salary, right? Error salary as error average. Okay, if we run this, let's see what is the output. See, output is 2590. Now what we have to do, just we need to differentiate this one, right? So here again directly we can do, but for better understanding, better readability, we will create one here is CT, okay, with CTE hatch, right? So select a star from CT. Let's run this one and let's see what is the output. So not, there is no difference between output. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to subtract this one, right? Original minus average, right? This one, original minus this one. Okay, let's run this one. Okay, so 2061. Okay, see, 2061 is our desired output, but what we have to do here is now is here this is coming is 2061.000000, but we have to calculate this in a integer. Okay, next integer. So what we which function we can use is scaling of this one, right? So here this decimal will be removed. So 2061. Now I'll paste this syntax to the here. Okay, just we'll change the name of the table. The table name is employee, but mine was the Blunder. If I run this one, let's see what is the output. Okay, see, test case is verified. Okay, if want to submit, we can submit because there is only one test cases, so no need to be worried here. Let's wait, it's taking more time than expected. Okay, see, congratulations. Okay, so you can solve it, and if you have any another approach, you can comment down in the comment section. Okay, definitely I'll see what is the which one is the best method. Okay, thank you, have a great day, we'll see you soon.